Today we're going to do lemon chicken. Make the glaze first. Put in some fresh ginger and garlic into chicken broth. I've cut a little coin off on the ginger. Just cut that up. Put that right into some chicken broth that I have here. Give that a little stir. Garlic. Because I've smashed it, I also get a lot of the flavor out of the garlic as well. I'm going to make a little roux here. Use the juice of 1 lemon. Just squeeze that right in there. A little bit of water in there. You could use broth. To get a little extra flavor, using a little bit of lemon zest. If you're going to use zest, make sure you only use the colored part. Put in our tablespoon of cornstarch. Put that right in, whisk that up. Ahead of time, I had some chicken broth in there already heated up. We'll put in some sweetener, honey. You could use brown sugar if you would like. That's thickened up very quickly. Turn that down to low. Let's move over to the chicken. Coat the chicken with a mixture of tamari or soy sauce, a couple tablespoons, and a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. And I'm just going to mix that in. Make sure that your chicken is at room temperature. Put in a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Let that just sit for a minute or so. We're going to what we call shallow fry the chicken. I've got about a 1/2 cup of oil. I want it to be hot enough. When I put in a chopstick, that's how we know that that oil is hot enough. Let's put our chicken in. This will take about 2 minutes. And these are boneless thighs. You can cook it well done and it won't dry out. I'm going to shut our glaze off. Nice glaze there. And our chicken is done. Take this chicken out. Remove this oil carefully. Pour that right out. Add our chicken back. Still nice and hot. Put in our glaze. That thickens right up. Now I've shut the heat off. I'll put in my scallions. All right. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.